Welcome to Proceeding Onward in America.
POA.
Well, today I'm gonna go over the little basics of hooking up. We just pulled in after a long 5-hour drive, and I'm gonna go through some little basics. Hopefully everybody can learn from this and know how to hook up the proper way. Let's go. First step is let's level the camper from left to right. Kind of eyeball it. And as you can see, this side is a little bit more down than that side. So we're gonna pick this side up. We're only gonna need probably 2 Legos. We're gonna put it in the front of the tire, and then we're gonna pull it up on top of the Legos to lift it up, and then take a look at it and see if it needs to go up anymore or if that's good enough.
Stop. Put it in park.
Now, as we can see, it's lifted up a bit and that looks just about level. We can take a leveler and see for ourselves in the inside from my phone and see if it's leveled right, left to right. Now, as you can see right here, we're definitely leveled left to right. We just need to lift up the front to get it completely on the green. So we don't have to worry about that because that's where the power jack is for. Now, we put the block underneath the power jack and raise the camper off the truck. And now we got to get all of this weight off the truck. So we gotta lift it up high to get the weight distributors off, and then take off the sway bar, and then we can detach everything. Okay, that should be good enough.
Okay, so why would you put a block underneath there?
I got 4 inches off the ground, so that gives me 4 inches to push this up. This can only go a certain amount of length, so it's best to put a block underneath there for stability and also for leveling purposes.
And also so it doesn't sink into the ground.
This is my cheat bar. This is used to get the distributor bars off. Then I take off the safety chains. Then I lower it to take the stress off the hitch. And I wait till it gets to about that level. I can release it. And now I raise it up off of it. And don't forget to unplug the cable and wire. Once you clear it enough, you can drive the car away.
And that's how you detach.
Now you just level the front to back. Now, we're level. From front to back, left to right. Perfectly level camper is a happy camper.
And a happy Becky.
Now we put down the stabilizer jacks. you're all leveled and hooked up, sorry I put this out, always make sure to lock up your trailer. That way no one comes and just run off with your home. So you can either lock it up there, you can put a lock on the wheel, you can chain it up to a gate, but always lock up your RV. Thank you for joining us. Keep following us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and always become a Patreon where we can make more videos like this. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.